Welcome back to Diesel Loco Shed. In this video, Diesel Loco Shed shall feature an ALCo-hauled Janshatabdi train. Seen here is KSR Bengaluru Hubballi Janshatabdi SUPERFAST Express, powered by a rebuilt Krishnarajapuram WDM 3A class ALCo, chugging along as the dawn breaks. Enjoy this video and also like and share the same. Leave a comment in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel without fail. Ring the bell so that you don't miss an update from Diesel Loco Shed.